गुड आफ्टरनून स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू SRS IAS लॉ अकेडमी। पिछली क्लास में हमने जो है मेंस आंसर राइटिंग के 2 क्वेश्चन जो थे वो हमने कवर किए थे ओशनोग्राफी में से, और नेक्स्ट 2 क्वेश्चन जो थे वो मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी लिखवा दिए थे, लेकिन इस क्लास में मैं वो क्वेश्चन जो है वो दोबारा से रिपीट कर रहा हूँ। तो मैं आपको आंसर्स जो है वो इन क्वेश्चन लिखवाने के बाद मैं इसके आंसर जो है वो आपको डिक्टेट कर दूंगा, लेकिन जैसे ही आप क्वेश्चन लिखते हो तो आप इस वीडियो को जो है वो पॉज करके अपने आंसर जो है वो आप लिख लीजिएगा, देन उसके बाद जो अपने आंसर्स जो है उनको मैच आउट कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन था जो मैंने आपको कल लिखवाया था, वो क्वेश्चन था अकाउंट फॉर वेरिएशंस इन ओशनिक सैलिनिटी, account for variations in oceanic salinity and discuss its multidimensional effects full stop। 2017 का क्वेश्चन था ये। सेकंड क्वेश्चन जो मैंने आपको लिखवाया था वो था हाउ डू ओशन currents and water masses differ in their impacts on marine life and coastal environment question mark give suitable examples। ये 2019 का क्वेश्चन था आपका, ठीक है। तो अभी आप वीडियो जो है उसको पॉज करके अपना आंसर जो है वो लिख सकते हो, ठीक है। लिखो, इंट्रो लिखो। सैलिनिटी refers to the amount of salt dissolved in 1000 grams of seawater full stop। It is usually expressed as parts per thousand or PPT salinity for normal open ocean ranges between 33 to 37 PPT parts per thousand full stop। Oceanic salinity varies significantly due to the free movement of ocean water and its distribution has two aspects। first लिखो horizontal इसमें लिखो द एरियाज ऑफ हाईएस्ट सैलिनिटी, द एरियाज ऑफ हाईएस्ट सैलिनिटी, ब्रैकेट में लिखो 37 पीपीटी, 37 पीपीटी in Atlantic Ocean, 37 ppt in Atlantic Ocean, bracket close, are found near the tropics, due to active evaporation, owing to OWING, owing to clear skies, owing to clear skies, comma high temperature, high skies, comma high temperature and steady trade winds, high temperature and steady trade winds, full stop. Next point, from the tropical areas, salinity decreases both towards the equator and towards the poles, full stop. Salinity is relatively low near the equator, ब्रैकेट में लिखो about 35 ppt in Atlantic Ocean, bracket close, due to high rainfall, comma high relative humidity, comma cloudiness and calm air, calm air in the doldrums, doldrums, in the doldrums, full stop. Next point, in polar areas salinity decreases, ब्रैकेट में लिखो 20 to 32, 20 से लेके 32 तक पीपीटी, 20 to 32, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, due to very little evaporation and due to melting ice, yielding YIELDILG, yielding fresh water, ठीक है। तो ये सारे पॉइंट्स थे आपके हॉरिजॉन्टल के। पहली डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन थी, सेकंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लिखो और वर्टिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, इसमें लिखो जनरली salinity decreases with increasing depth, full stop. Surface water is more saline due to loss of water from evaporation, full stop. This varies greatly with latitudes, and is influenced by the cold and warm currents, full stop. In higher latitudes salinity increases with depth and in middle latitudes it increases up to 35 meters and then decreases full stop. Next point, the multi-dimensional effect. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट नहीं है ये, नेक्स्ट हेडिंग बनाओ. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग, द मल्टी डायमेंशनल इफेक्ट ऑफ ओशियनिक सैलिनिटी आर एज फॉलो. लिखो फर्स्ट पॉइंट, सैलिनिटी determines compressibility. compressibility, compressibility, comma thermal expansion, comma temperature, comma density, comma absorption of insulation, comma evaporation and humidity. Next point, salinity and water cycle. हेडिंग बनाओ, कॉलम लगाओ, अंडरलाइन करो इसको. salinity and water cycle. लिखो इसमें, water in liquid state dissolves rocks and sediments which creates a complex solution of mineral salts in ocean basins. Full stop. Conversely, 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 in other states such as vapor and ice, comma water and salt are incompatible. And water vapor and ice are essentially salt free. Full stop. By tracking ocean surface salinity, we can directly monitor variations in the water cycle. कॉलन डालो आगे. लिखो land runoff, 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 comma sea ice freezing and melting, and evaporation and precipitation over the oceans. Full stop. Next point, heading लिखो salinity, comma ocean circulation and climate. इसमें लिखो, कॉलन डालो और इसको अंडरलाइन करो. इस पे लिखो, ocean circulation in deep waters is primarily driven by changes in seawater density, comma which is determined by salinity and temperature. Full stop. in the North Atlantic near Greenland, comma, cooled high salinity surface, cooled cooled high salinity surface waters can become dense enough to sink to great depths, DEPHTS. Full stop. Next point, heading बनाओ, salinity and climate density. कॉलन लगाओ और अंडरलाइन कर लो इसको. लिखो, the ocean stores more heat in the uppermost 3 meters than the entire atmosphere. Full stop. Thus density controlled circulation is key to transporting heat in the ocean and maintaining Earth's climate. Full stop. Excess heat associated with the increase in global temperature. During the last century is being absorbed and moved by the ocean. Full stop. Conclusion लिखो. उससे पहले एक पॉइंट और लिख लो. Ocean also influences distribution of fish and other marine resources. Conclusion लिखो. NASA studies suggest that seawater is getting fresher in high latitudes while saltier saltier in subtropical latitudes. Full stop. This will significantly impact not only ocean circulation but also the climate in which we live. Full stop. Next question था आपका, how do ocean currents and water masses differ in their impact on marine life and coastal environment? Give suitable examples. ठीक है, तो लिखो, इंट्रो लिखो. सबसे पहले, ocean currents are streams of water flowing constantly in definite path and direction. For example, Gulf Stream, bracket में लिख लो warm current, and Labrador current, bracket में लिख लो cold current. Full stop. Water masses are the extensive homogeneous body. Water masses are extensive homogeneous body of immense volume of ocean water in terms of temperature, in terms of temperature and salinity. Full stop. These are generally characterized by the downwelling of denser cold water and upwelling of less dense water. For example, the North Atlantic deep water mass. In the Norwegian Sea. NORWEGIAN, Norwegian Sea. Full stop. Heading बनाओ next, impact of ocean currents. नंबर 1 लिखो on marine life. ठीक है. अब इसके 4 पॉइंट्स जो है बुलेट पॉइंट्स वो बनाएंगे. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, ओशन currents act as distributing agents of nutrients, oxygen and other elements necessary for the existence and survival of fishes and zooplanktons. ZOOPLANKTONS, planktons. Full stop. Next point, they also transport planktons from one area to the other area. Full stop. For example, Gulf Stream carries planktons from the Mexican Gulf to the coast of Newfoundland and northwestern Europe. Full stop. Many significant fishing grounds of the world are developed in these areas. Full stop. Next point, mixing of warm and cold ocean currents bring rich nutrients which support marine organisms. Full stop. For example, seas north of Japan, seas north of Japan is a rich fishing ground due to the mixing of warm Kuroshio Kuroshio and cold Kurile current Kurile current. Full stop. Next point, sometimes a few ocean currents destroy planktons. Full stop. For example, El Nino current destroy planktons of the Peruvian coast, PERUVIAN, Peruvian coast, resulting into mass death of fishes. Full फुल स्टॉप। ये था आपका फर्स्ट ऑन मेरीन लाइफ। सेकंड लिखो, सेकंड ऑन कोस्टल एनवायरनमेंट, ऑन कोस्टल एनवायरनमेंट। इसके सब पॉइंट्स बनाओ। पहला पॉइंट, ओशन करंट्स, ओशन करंट्स मेंटेन द हॉरिजॉन्टल हीट बैलेंस, ओशन करंट्स मेंटेन द हॉरिजॉन्टल हीट बैलेंस of the earth, of the earth, full stop. The warm currents transport warm waters, transport warm waters of the tropics to colder areas of temperate, colder areas of temperate and polar zones, temperate and polar zones, full stop. Cold currents on the other hand, cold currents on the other hand bring cold waters of the high latitude, to the areas of low latitudes, full stop. Next point, surface ocean currents also modify the weather conditions of the coastal areas, full stop. The ideal and favorable European type of climate of the western coast of Europe, European type of climate of the western coast of Europe is due to the moderating effect of North Atlantic warm currents, full stop. Next point, cold currents also intensify the desert-like conditions in the coastal areas, exemplified EXEMPLIFIED, exemplified by the presence of some deserts in the western edges of continents, for example Namib Desert, NAMIB, Namib Desert in Africa. Next point, the convergence of warm and cold currents causes foggy conditions, foggy conditions. For example, near Newfoundland, due to convergence of warm Gulf Stream and cold Labrador current. Full stop. Third लिखो, impact of water masses. इसमें लिखो सबसे पहला डाउनवेलिंग ऑफ वाटर मासेस। इसके सब पॉइंट्स बनाओ, दो सब पॉइंट्स है इसके। पहला लिखो, इट ट्रांसपोर्ट्स ऑक्सीजन डाउनवर्ड which is much needed by the marine organisms. Full stop. Next point, this process discourages enrichment of seawater by bringing nutrients, and hence the areas of downwelling, DOWNWELLING, downwelling of water masses are not conducive to marine life, hence they are the areas of low marine productivity. Full stop. Next point, the upwelling of water masses, ठीक है, इसका एक ही सब पॉइंट है, ये अपवेलिंग ऑफ वाटर मासेस, ये मेन पॉइंट है, ठीक है। किसके अंदर आता है ये? इंपैक्ट ऑफ वाटर मासेस के अंदर। इसका सब पॉइंट लिखो, अपवेलिंग का लिखो, इट इज बेनिफिशियल टू द रिच मैरीन लाइफ because dissolved oxygen and nutrients are brought to the surface through upwelling. Full stop. For example, the upwelling of nutrient rich cold water off the coast of Peru, OFF, of the coast of Peru, has made the region one of the richest fishing grounds. Full stop. Conclusion लिखो, global warming is disrupting the sinking of cold, salty water as a result of increased melting of glaciers and sea ice. Full stop. This could slow or even stop the circulation of ocean waters. Full stop. Which could result in potentially drastic impact on marine life and coastal environment. Full stop. Thus arresting global warming is the need of the hour. ठीक है, तो ये 2 क्वेश्चन थे आपके, ये मैंने लिखवा दिए हैं। उसके अलावा 4 क्वेश्चंस अब आपके रहते हैं, छोटे हैं वो क्वेश्चंस, लिख लो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिखो, व्हाट आर द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज ऑफ स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ डेड zones on marine ecosystems. 2018 का क्वेश्चन है ये। सेकंड क्वेश्चन लिखो, डिस्कस द मीनिंग ऑफ कलर कोडेड वेदर वार्निंग्स फॉर साइक्लोन प्रोन एरियाज गिवन बाय इंडिया मेटीरियोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट, METEORLOGICAL, आर के बाद भी ओ है, METEORLOGICAL, मेटीरियोलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट। डिपार्टमेंट, ये 2022 में पूछा गया था आपसे। नेक्स्ट लिखो, हाउ डू द मेल्टिंग ऑफ आर्कटिक आइस एंड ग्लेशियर्स of the Antarctic differently affect the weather patterns and human activities on earth question mark explain 2021 का क्वेश्चन है ये, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट लिखो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, डिस्कस द जियोफिजिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ सर्कमपेसिफिक जोन, ठीक है। तो ये टोटल 8 क्वेश्चन जो है ये आपसे ओशनोग्राफी में पूछे गए थे। तो 4 मैंने आपको लिखवा दिए, ठीक है, 2 आज की क्लास में, 2 पिछली क्लास में, और जो बाकी बचते 4 हैं ये छोटे छोटे ही हैं, तो ये मैं आपको नेक्स्ट क्लास जो है उसमें मैं आपको लिखवा दूंगा, ठीक है। तो आज की जो हमारी क्लास थी वो यहीं तक थी। थैंक यू सो मच।